Welcome to PDF Filler. Let's see how you can convert any PDF file to a PowerPoint slideshow online. To begin, log into your PDF Filler account or register a new one. It only takes a few clicks and doesn't require downloading or installing anything on your computer. Once logged in, proceed to your document. You can use either an existing document, create a blank PDF from scratch, upload a PDF from your computer or phone, or import one from an online location. If needed, use the PDF Filler online editor to modify your document's content and layout or make it fillable by adding fillable fields. To export your PDF as a PPT presentation, click the arrow next to the Done button and then click Save As. In the new window, select the format and destination for the resulting file. That's it. Your slideshow has been created. Click the link in the description to start converting your PDF right away. Also, check out our other video tutorials for more PDF tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.